Hi there, this is video 315 and it is more Venn practice. Again, you can go to, wait for it, mathaids.com. That is probably where I got these from. I don't actually remember, but I know this one has lots, and you can find the stuff on Venn diagrams, and you can print out sheets and practice. Again, you know what, if you find a really good online resource, I'd love for you to share it with me. These type of questions, honestly, I hate putting on tests. I do it, but I don't enjoy it because it never fails. Somebody comes up with answers that are completely right. Because when you're drawing these, when you're labeling them, there sometimes can be more than one answer. All right, this one is super easy, right? What part is colored? A. Yep. That's it. Let's do. I'm going to avoid that one. I think that one's the harder one. And do this one. So this is all of A and all of B. So we can put A union B. Because A is colored, B is colored, and the overlap is colored. This one, well, usually what I find if a lot of the picture is colored and like kind of over half, often I should be thinking about a prime. So what isn't colored here is B. So that's B prime. Now, so I cheated. I did the real easy ones first. Let's take a look at this one. If you think about the picture here, the part that's not colored has a name, and you know that. That's A intersection B. But what's colored is not that part. You want to put brackets around it and put a prime behind. That says A intersection B prime. So A and B, but not that stuff. You have to be careful to use those brackets there. Maybe more confusing, but I just want to show you why it's important. If I have A intersection B prime like that, see the difference? Without the brackets, that means, I'm going to use my markers. So A is orange, and we'll try green. B prime so A intersection B prime would be this kind of nasty circle that's both green and orange at the same time, but that's not the same picture as here. So watch for that. Okay, so that is clearly the intersection between A and B, and then it's the whole thing is prime. Hey, that was Jelly Bean saying there's somebody in the yard. That's enough. Put your hackles down a little. Sorry. All right, let's look at this one. There's probably a bunch of ways to do it. I don't know which is the most effective. So I'm going to start with A, because I can see all of circle A is colored. So it's going to be A. And then I'm going to use union. And then if I look at what else is colored, this background, see how B isn't? I'm just going to check that. So this is A. then B prime is everything but B. So that worked, right? Because that's what was colored. I was also thinking this part is B. I can never remember which line. That's enough. So B but not A is that crescent shape here. And we could have that prime. So this is fine. And this is fine. Either one of those would be a great answer. All right, this last one. All right, I'm looking at that crescent shape. And I remember that those are usually A, but not B. Now, if you have an answer key, it may also look like that, depending on where I got it from. But A, but not B. And there we go. All right, I hope that helped. And again, mathaids.com has got an awful lot of practice.